Okay, dear. You ready? Let's see. Make sure it's recording. Yes, it's recording. Okay, now this is like a late Christmas, or an early Christmas, late birthday present for you. I know I'm making such a big production out of it, aren't I? It's going to be worth it. That's why. Did you know it's interesting trying to open a package while holding a cell phone camera and trying to keep it aimed and everything? It's a little bit of a challenge. Oh, fudge. There we go. It's still recording, I think. Yes. There we go. Criminy. There we go. All right. Now, ready? You want to go ahead and pull that part down? And then pull this up. And it's not facing you. Oh, you're liking it already. Ready? Look at this. Oh, if I can take this note off here that she stuck on there. She had to open the package to turn it off because it kept meowing the whole time. Yes, it's a cat. But not just an ordinary cat. It doesn't just sit there and meow. It does even more. And I would ask you to help open it, but it's a little more complicated. And let's see if I can get it out of here. She tied it back down here. All right. Keep going. Oh, she's in there big time. Ah, here we go. Here's where she was tied out from. Oh no, it's tied up kitty kitty. Okay. What's this one? Carolyn, how the heck did you tie it in here? I'm going to set this down like this on your shoulder. Actually, I'm propped up like this. Let's see what kind of angle we got here. Okay, I'm going to leave it right here like this. No coughing. Ah, there we go. There we go. It slides out like that. I thought it had to slide out somehow. I wasn't able to do it from here. Take it off of here. And, that's how it's tight down. Oh! Runaway cat! Aha! Head off like that. There we go. Okay, now Are you ready? It's somewhere. Oh, that's good. They put the control panel between the legs. Please tell me they didn't put the control panel between the legs. Where's the on-off switch? I hope the on-off switch isn't between the legs. She said it was on the belly. She said it was on the belly. Dave, are you amused by all of this? Are you amused by all of this, huh? Is this funny? Yeah. I can tell you're amused. You like this so far, don't you? And you haven't even seen what it does. Here we go. Try to point this like this. And there's an on-off switch somewhere. It's not on its butt. All right, I give up. Let's look at the instructions. On-off switch. Label on her belly. All right, that's where I was looking. The label on the belly. That is supposed to be. Ah, there it is. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see what happens. There we go. Pet it. Go ahead and pet the kitty. Pet the kitty. Pet the kitty. I mean, you gotta really pet the kitty. You pet it hard enough, it'll purr back and meow. Carolyn hit the jackpot with this one, didn't she? I thought so. All right, let's see this little thing. Mew. Kitty, kitty, kitty. It's Lulu. What is it, Lulu? What is it, Lulu? Oh, no, she'll actually wipe her face with the foot. Oh, and she'll roll over to get her belly rub too. Mew. Lulu want a belly rub? Dave, you want to say thank you to Carolyn? Yeah. This thing is cool. I mean, granted, Elaine has sent you some cool things too. This is just unusual. No offense, Elaine, but Carolyn hit the jackpot on this thing. Lulu. Do you want to change her name or you want to leave it Lulu? Choice 1, leave it as Lulu. Choice 2, come up with a different name. You want to come up with a different name? Okay. We'll use the spelling board to come up with a different name, okay? Lulu.